A downgrade fee, a fee that you're getting charged on top of whatever rate that you're seeing in your credit card processing statement. There are a whole bunch of different pricing models for merchant accounts. So as a business owner, you could have a tiered pricing structure or an interchange plus pricing structure. Those are kind of the basics. Either category, you could see a downgrade fee, but typically you're going to see them in tiered pricing models. What you want to look out for is a statement, your credit card processing statement, or a provider that has one rate. And they show you, hey, your rate is this super low rate, and that's it. Almost always, there's either clearly a second tier or there's what's called a downgrade fee. You'll have qualified transactions that go through at this magical special low rate, but then you'll have a category of fees that say downgrade. Or sometimes it won't even say downgrade. It will just be additional fees. Sometimes it's obstructed and difficult to analyze, and sometimes it's very clear, but it's sort of like a surcharge. So it's the extra cost for some other category of transaction going through. An example of a downgrade, they show you a really low rate, but it only applies to swiped transactions. And if 20% of your transactions are swiped or zero, your statement might show that all of your sales volume goes through at this one magical rate, but then you have a downgrade fee on all of those transactions because in fact, none of them got swiped. And so some credit card processing statements will hide things like that deliberately to not show you what the downgrade fee is, and some will be more clear about it. The example that I was using, I suppose the part that I left out would be those downgraded transactions would be transactions that weren't swiped, that happen to be key entered, whether it's online or over the phone, etc. But those don't qualify as the qualified rate. They get downgraded to a different type of transaction. In that case, a card not present transaction. So a transaction that was key entered or entered over the phone, but the card wasn't actually there and swiped.